So hi, good day everyone. Me and my team, we're going to discuss one of the second smallest planet in the solar system, and that is Mars. So Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it is the second smallest planet in the solar system. And it carries the name of Roman god of war. Okay? So planet Mars has the gravity of 3.711 square millimeter per second, and the distance from the sun is about 227.9 million kilometers, and the surface area is 144.8 million kilometers, and the surface pressure is 0.636 um, kilometer per hour, and planet Mars has a two moons, that is Phobos and the Deimos. So my team, we're going to discuss the characteristic of the Mars, the appearance, the composition, and the moon. So watch out for my colleagues to discuss after this.
The real planet Mars characterizations about surface characterization has a rocky. The rock is a highly contained of sulfur. The second is the dry terrain. No, the dry terrain. The dry terrain is it has a self sterilizing that the plant can grow. The third is the volcanoes. No, the volcanoes is the largest on a solar system and make it 3 times largest of our Mount Everest. And it is an active volcanoes to produce red dust. The last is the valleys. The valleys at the center is a running water, and both side it has a ice cap. And the length of the valleys is 4,000 kilometers, and the width of the valleys is 2,000 kilometers, and the depth of the valleys is 7 kilometers or 4.3 miles. That's all.
Hi, good day. My name is Ligdik Ubinya and I want you to discuss about the appearance of the Mars. So before I start, the Mars is a planet. Okay, so the Mars is fourth planet from the Sun. It is more than 142 million miles from the Sun. So Mars has a striking red appearance, and in its most favorable position for viewing when it is opposite the sun. So it is twice as bright as Sirius, so the brightest star. Okay, so Mars has a diameter of 6,800 kilometers, so just over half the diameter of the Earth. Okay, and its mass is only 11% of the Earth mass. Okay, the surface of the Mars is rocky with crayons, volcanoes, dry lake beds, and craters all over it. Okay, red duster cover most of its surface. So Mars has a clouds and wind just like our Earth.
Good day, classmates. Next is the Phobos, is one of the second kinds of moon in Mars. This is the Phobos. It looks like potato shape and has a large crater called Stepney. It's a bit larger than Deimos. Phobos has a fine dusty layer on its surface called regolith. Age 4.503 billion years, density 1.88 g over cm, gravity 0.0057 m over s squared. Phobos has a diameter 14 miles, 22 kilometers, and was 3,900 miles or 6,240 kilometers from the rover at the time of the image.
This time, I'm going to show you the actual footage or video on how the planet Mars rotates to the solar system. So, as what I said earlier, Mars is a dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere, and there's a strong evidence Mars was a billion years ago, wetter and warmer, with a thicker atmosphere. So, the length of year of the Earth is 1.88, and the distance from the Sun is about 1.5. And like what I said, planet Mars is called a Roman god of war planet. And here in the left side, as you can see, there's two moons, and that is Phobos and the Deimos. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the distance from the Sun. So as you can see, the numbers is changing up, 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 up. That is the kilometer distance from the Sun. So every single seconds that the planet Mars rotating to the solar system, the kilometer is increasing. So we cannot really identify, or we cannot really distinguish the kilometer per seconds of the planet Mars in the solar system. So by the rotations of the planet, as you can see, there is the Mars Odyssey and the Trace of Orbiter, and also as you can see, it's December 3. Okay, this is the actual footage, or this is the actual date. Okay, and then there is a time, it's 7:34, and as you can see, the planet Mars is rotating from the Sun. From this is the Sun, the Mercury, so it's rotating. Okay, so from 464 kilometer per seconds goes up to 470 something. And the other side, as you can see, the length of year, so it is 687 Earth days, and this is the light time of the Sun, so it's 12.2474 minutes. Okay, let us observe how the planet Mars rotates to the solar system. So this is the Phobos. This is one of the moon of the Mars. So the planet Mars facing to the left side. Okay, as you can see, this one, parap siya doon. And then, okay, I want you to observe what will happen to the Phobos moon while the Mars rotating to the solar system. Okay, so I hope that you gain something, you learn a lot from this video. And okay, so as you can see, this is a Deimos. This is the Deimos, the one of the moon of the planet Mars, and this is the Phobos. Okay, so later on, my colleagues will discuss these two moons of the planet Mars, and also the characteristic of the moon, the characteristic of the Mars, the appearance and decomposition, and also the texture and the sizes of the moon of the Mars in the solar system. Okay, thank you.